back to the channel, guys. Welcome to Mama on a Budget Life channel. Like, guys, for those of you who are new here, welcome to the family. Welcome. For those all my subbies, welcome back. Guys, I came from work. I think I got home about minutes to 11, like 10 to 11 or something like that. And yeah, down here we get a lot of rain in Barbados today. So I had my shower, I had something to eat, I rest a little bit. I think it is now minutes to 1. So I'm in the kitchen now cooking, guys. Today is actually Monday. In the kitchen and I'm about to cook. I had some fish that I seasoned yesterday because I didn't get to cook yesterday, Sunday, because I came from work and I had clients' head to deal with. So you know, you're re-interlocking or retightening these babies, sister locks. It takes time. So my client had hers to relax, so it took me a little bit of time. So by the time I finished, because I started around 11, by the time I finished, I had to go work. So then I got to cook. But anyway, I'm home today and the kids, everybody fed up a pie, everybody fed up a rice and so forth. So therefore the plan was to do some fried fish, gravy, macaroni pie, a little bit of rice. The only body that ain't fed up a rice is my second daughter. She's a rice freak and so forth. So everybody been kicking and saying, "Oh, mommy, let me try fufu." I don't know what happened to the children that they going rampaging on YouTube and looking at all these African YouTubers. I do as well, but them so fascinated with the dishes and so forth that they want to try them. So therefore, I was actually looking at one, and apparently the Ugali, I hope I pronounced the name right. So if anybody from Africa looking at my video, haha, correct me if I'm wrong. Ugali, and I realized it's made from the corn meal, which is the maize meal flour. So normally, I never really see maize meal flour about here, but you know we get corn meal. So I look up how to do the flour. So basically just grind up until it comes to flour. So I said, okay. So I come and I tell my children, like, all right, let me try this fufu thing. So they say, all right, mommy, you got canned fufu. I didn't even know it got canned fufu because I see people doing fufu from plant and all that kind of stuff, but I never see the canned fufu. So it's similar to the ugali. So I say, all right, I didn't do that. So normally over here you will get the yellow cornmeal. Hold on, guys. Right, you will get the yellow cornmeal. Now you have Valrico brand is what I always get because I like to do my we call it my corn pie with this brand. And even if I do a Coucou, I like to do it. But the thing is, them children don't like Coucou, but they want to try this dish. So I said, alright. So not this is grind fine, but it's not a flour. It's grind fine, but in the flour consistency. So therefore, how to get the flour? Let me show you what I'm doing. I actually take it because I normally chop mine in containers. So I actually take this and I have my NutriBullet and I'm just grinding it a little bit more finer until it comes to that kind of, you know, that floury more texture. Because you can see it more floury than so. And so I trying it this way here and see how it goes. Alright. So shoot. I got my water here boiling already from the ratio that I see the people use. So let me grind. I grind it already, guys, but I'm gonna grind it again just to make sure. So alright, guys, so haha, it's all grind up. Now guys, when I was mixing this, right, when I was cooking this, honestly, this is Coucou. In the Caribbean we will call this Coucou, but it's just that you know, in every country they have a dish that's similar to what all we just do. It's just that they just do it different. They use the actual cornmeal flour while we will use the cornmeal grind up. You understand me? I mean, it's the same corn. It's just that we using the corn meal while they use the corn flour, which will be a more smoother texture. So the taste and everything is just like cornmeal. The way how you do it is just like when we do sorry, not cornmeal, cuckoo. So it's basically same thing, but for those of you who don't like cuckoo, I don't think that you would actually like this. But for some reason my kids like it. They don't like cuckoo, but they like it, and I feel it's because of the smoother texture. In my case here, because of the first try, mine will still come out a little bit crumbly and so forth, but it still did taste fine, and it come out a little in the end result. When it cool, it come out a little bit more stiff than when you that normal cocoa or anything. So the next time that I do it, I feel I will make some changes to how I cook it. I probably may cook it like normal with like cocoa, but yeah, and get a more softer texture, because the kids really wanted it to, so that they could mold it in their hand and actually eat it like fufu. So I'll probably look for the fufu cornmeal recipe, and I will do it that way instead of doing the ugali, because this is actually ugali. So yeah guys, so but it was delicious. It turned out delicious and everybody ate. So yeah. Alright guys, so over here I'm about to do my stew fish guys, and the way how I am doing my stew fish today guys, it is similar to how I normally do it, but with a little tweak. Instead of using ketchup and so forth, I use my tomato sauce. Yes guys, you can see my tomato sauce is frozen because I realized late that I don't have any more in the can fresh, and I had it in the freezer. So I end up and realize that late, but it's still thawed down and whatever. So I'm just adding here some my onion, my garlic, and my sweet pepper, sauteed that a little bit. Then I'm about to add the tomato sauce, and I'm gonna let it cook down a little by defrosting and so on. Here too, guys, I'm grating a piece of ginger in this because I see my Kenya girls add ginger to their, basically they add ginger to most of the stews, fish, wherever, and honestly this actually made a difference. It just give a flavor like So here is my sauce, my pasta sauce, guys, that I'm tomato sauce that I'm just using here. So guys, now when you do it with the tomato sauce, guys, I don't know, it's just like a different total. Oh, see it cooked down here now, guys, and I'm about to add the fish and everything. But guys, this did turn out. This did turn out. This was it. So from now on, this is how I'll be doing my stew fish. Also, this is similar method that the Kenyans or the Ghanans or whoever, the Africans actually do this is basically how they actually do most of the stew. So I'm gonna be trying this with this method as well with some of my other stews and see how it turn out instead of using browning, and see how it turn out, guys. But this was it. Ugali, guys, it ain't come out like everybody has own, but you don't know it's a first try. But this is a whisk called Coucou, guys. So it's a first try. And so this is how it come out. It's a bit crumbly, guys, but this is it. I can try and eat it like everybody, but it's crumbly, guys. There you go. And to my mouth it go, guys. Ready, and Guys, oh my word. Honestly, it still reminds me of Coucou, like Coucou, but did you see the sauce? Guys, this sauce is it. With the ginger and everything, this sauce is it, guys. Guys, I can dig into this. Honestly, this reminds me still of Coucou. The flavor, everything is still the same. Like Coucou is just smoother. The Coucou you still get that grindiness, but this just smoother. See you guys in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is good, guys. Hopefully next time I'll try it again and get it better the next time. But this is smooth and good. It crumbling for now. When you put it in more, it got that smooth texture. And the fish, good, guys. Alright guys, bye. See you in the next one. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and come again.